Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the install. Check Mac OS and install Xcode command line tools if missing. Homebrew needs them. Once done, open Terminal and run Python 3 version to see what exists. Decide whether you want the system-safe approach with Homebrew, multi-version management with PyEnv, or a single installer from Python. Org. Make that choice now because it affects the next commands and where Python will live on your Mac. You proceed to the actual installation and environment setup. If you chose Homebrew, run brew install Python at 3. X and then brew link overwrite force Python at 3. X. If you prefer PyEnv, install PyEnv via brew and run PyEnv install 3. X then PyEnv global 3. X. Once installed, update your path so Terminal finds the new Python first. Then install pip, create a virtual environment with Python 3 mvenvenv, and activate it so your projects use an isolated interpreter and packages. You finish by verifying the installation and making it reliable for daily use. Run Python 3 version and pip 3 version and print sys. Executable to confirm which binary is active. Upgrade pip and setup tools, then install any project packages inside the venv. If you want the new Python as the default, adjust shell startup files or use PyEnv to set a global version. If something fails, check path ordering first. If conflicts continue, unlink and relink Homebrew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.